Welcome back to Instrulogic. In this video we'll learn about the main parts of a control valve and their functions. Control valves are essential in process industries for regulating fluid flow, pressure, and temperature. Let's dive in. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe the channel for more instrument engineering related videos. A control valve consists of several key components that work together to control the flow of fluids. These include the actuator, valve positioner, air supply tubing, yoke, stem, valve body, plug, seat, and flanged ends. The actuator is the topmost part of the valve. Its job is to convert air pressure into mechanical motion, which opens or closes the valve. In simple terms, it's the muscle of the control valve. The valve positioner ensures the actuator moves accurately according to the control signal. It fine-tunes the valve's position for precise control. Compressed air travels through these tubes from the instrument airline to the actuator. This air pressure powers the actuator. The yoke is the mechanical support that connects the actuator to the valve body. It holds everything firmly in place. The stem transfers the actuator's movement down to the plug inside the valve body. This movement controls the flow. The valve body is the main pressure-containing part. This is where the fluid flows through. The plug moves up or down to regulate the flow rate. When the plug moves down, it restricts flow. When it moves up, it allows more flow. The seat provides a tight shutoff when the plug closes. This prevents leakage. These flanged ends connect the valve to the pipeline. They ensure a secure and leak-proof connection. Control valves are widely used in oil and gas plants, refineries, power plants, chemical industries, and steam and process lines. Understanding these parts is crucial for maintenance and troubleshooting. Stay tuned for more videos on instrumentation and process control. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.